Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do a little bit of a video here. This is our 200th video. So first of all, I want to tell everybody thank you for watching, and really want to tell you thank you for all the feedback, the positive feedback, all the awesome comments, all the encouragement, and the thank yous. So I didn't know when I started this, almost a year and a half ago, how it would go if I would do it this long. Started out doing a video a week, then slowly tried to do a couple a week, and I think for the past, let's say 4 months, 5 months, I've done a video a day. And just you guys watching, taking the time, showing interest, really keeps me motivated. It's really humbling. I've heard other YouTubers say that, and I kind of got it, or I wondered, but it is really truly humbling to sit here and make something and have somebody just watch it, and then have somebody take the time to write a comment and just say thank you. It means a great deal. But one of the other main reasons, there's actually two main reasons, that's not accurate. Two main reasons why I've been doing this is training people. I've been training people for a long time, and this has made me a better programmer. So I want to thank you guys for the questions, the video requests, and it's made me think about things more in depth, and it's made me better. So thank you guys. And second, if you know anybody who has shown any interest in learning programming, send them a link. If you know anybody who's struggling and tried and failed, or given up, tried a couple times and given up, send them to this channel, because I was that person. I have been interested in programming for a very long time, and I couldn't do it. I learn differently than other people. I have to do things over and over and over again. It's tied to the ADD, it's tied to dyslexia, it's tied to all sorts of things, and I just have to do things a lot, and I have to work harder than everybody else. So I know what that feels like. So if there's anybody that you know who wants to learn programming and doesn't think they can do that, send them here. That's why these videos are short, and we're going to touch on as many topics as that I can think of, and then the feedback that I get, and breaking down problems and going forward, that I want them to be able to search for a topic and not have it buried in a video, because most programmers, they can do something one time and go, oh, and apply that to countless problems. I'm not that way. I have to do something over and over and over and over again before I even get it. So I know what that struggle's like. So please, if you know anybody who wants to learn programming, send them to this channel, and I want to help them. So, but thank you to you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. 200 episodes, and I'm just super excited that I have as many views and as many subscribers as I have. That's pretty awesome, and like I said, very humbling. So thanks again, guys. Forward this on to anybody who has any interest. I want to help them out. I want to prove to them that they can learn to program. So, all right, thanks, guys. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because I want to help out anybody who wants to learn. So thanks for hanging with me, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.